From VOA, Learning English, this is the Science Report. Scientists say a large percentage of bird species is in danger because bird habitats, or homelands, are disappearing. Traditional migration paths take birds through many countries. Some are not protecting the places where the birds stop, rest, and feed. The journal Science published a report by researchers from the Center of Excellence for Environmental Decisions in Australia. The scientists studied the migration, or travel paths, of almost 1,500 species of birds. They said that 91% of them passed through dangerous areas. The biggest danger for migratory birds is development. Building and paving now covers some of the natural areas where birds stop and feed as they move from one part of the world to another. Researchers say many of the small birds die along their migration route. There is no place for them to get energy for the next part of their journey. Countries in North Africa, Central Asia, and those along the coast of East Asia are having the most difficult time conserving land. The scientists say these countries do not have enough areas that are safe for birds. They say countries need to work together. They need to come up with safe stopover areas for birds that pass through their boundaries. Peter Mara, a scientist, told the Los Angeles Times that some habitats are changing. But, he says, more work can be done to make city areas safe for birds. He says small changes, like growing more native plants, could make a big difference. For VOA Learning English, I'm Jonathan Evans.